Hey guys, Savannah Buck with Celebrity Title here in Cypress with the amazing Lippincott team, and we're getting crafty today at the A&R workshop.
Hi, I'm Amy Lippincott with the Lippincott team, and here on American Dream TV we're going to be at the new AR workshop in Cypress, owned by a local owner, because Lippincott team loves local business owners and we love to support them. Looking forward to having a great time.
So AR Workshop Cypress is a boutique DIY workshop. We specialize in home decor that is customized and personalized and made by you. So you start with raw materials and you end up with something that is 100% unique, made by you, and perfect, and will come home in a ready to decorate fashion. We're a franchise, and I'm the local owners. I live right here in Bridgeland, and this is our first store. We couldn't be more excited to get this place open.
It is very cool. There are so many projects to choose from. Our team has had a great time today, and I know you mentioned a special project that y'all also do.
We do. So one of our most popular classes are the Chunky Knit Blanket workshops. Those are hand knit blankets with custom dyed, custom color yarn that you're not going to find anywhere else. But I like to give back. I like to support my communities. So every time someone makes a Chunky Knit blanket in our workshop, we will donate a blanket to Be a Resource. That group is called BEAR, and they help kids that are entering CPS from neglected and abused households. They get to come through BEAR and pick out new toiletries, new clothing, new shoes, because they left their house with nothing. And they'll also get to take home a Chunky Knit blanket. That's a project that my family has been supporting for many years. My grandmother introduced us to Be a Resource, and so that's our way to keep carrying on and giving. So make a Chunky Knit blanket, we donate a Chunky Knit blanket.
I love that. We love giving back, and we love locals. So we love that she's a local living here, opening this new project here. There are so many cool things to do here, and I know you have a grand opening coming up. When is that?
We do. Saturday from 5 to 8, open house style. We already have over 250 people registered, so
wow.
It's going to be quite a party. We'll have mini DIYs so people can paint and peel and get an idea for what they're going to do when they're in a workshop, and look around at our space and see some sample signs and get some ideas. And we have a retail area so people can come shop and get some small little gift items and fun little jewelry pieces.
Yes, some very cute earrings back over there, and some cute soaps I saw also.
Yeah. Local and Cypress made.
Yes, very cool. So tell us, where can they find you?
arworkshop.com/Cypress, and it's where you'll go to register for a workshop. And in town, you can find us at House Hall Road, 16718 House Hall Road.
So I can't wait to come here and have a wine night with my friends or bring my family out. It's a very cool place. Y'all come check it out. Thank you so much for having us, and we'll see you next time on The American Dream.